What exactly is Profits Passport? How does it work, and is this worth joining? Hey, it's Ari here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video specifically, I'm going to be giving you my full in-depth review and walkthrough on exactly how Profits Passport works, and of course, how you can get started today, even if you're someone who's brand new, if you want to earn an income online, and of course, if you want something that is simple for just to start with as a newbie, right? So anyways, I'm going to go and dive right into this, right? So Profits Passport is a system that was created by David Dekel, that is this guy right here. And so this system is actually designed to help you generate high ticket commissions online, specifically commissions ranging in the $1,000 to $2,000 range. And so this is really great for you if you're someone that wants to earn a full-time income online. So as you can see right here, we have some members getting results. Here we have Lisa. It was during our Bible study that this sale came up. Love the Profits Passport automation. Business is still going really good, so really very nice. And so as you can see, this is a $2,000 commission that she made using this system, right? We have Lisa here. Another $2,000 commission that she made right here. We have Crystal, $2,000 commission. Ashley, thanks so much. Cannot believe I made my first $2,000 in 24 hours of signing up. So as you can see, I mean, the list just goes on. We have Garrett Berry, and then of course, in addition to all those posts, we have the Facebook group itself, which is just filled with results. Here we have the creator of the system himself, David Dekel. And so he promotes his own system. As you could see, just 7 hours ago, he posted $900 in 3 hours. Let the madness begin, right? So absolutely phenomenal stuff, right? And so the question that I want to ask you is, if you're someone that is looking to earn a full-time income online, so assuming that if you're watching this video right now and you're someone that, you know, you're not just looking to make a couple extra bucks here and there, you're not just looking to do this part-time or just to make a little bit of supplementary income, you're watching this video right now because you want to earn a full-time income online and because you want to perhaps quit your job and spend more time with family. Well, my question to you is, how many sales, if you can get one of these sales, right? One $2,000 sale, consistently, right? How many of these sales do you need for you to hit full-time income? So let's say your income goal is $5,000 per month. How many of these sales do you need in order to hit a full-time income? Well, if you do the math, it's about 3 sales, like 2 to 3 sales that you need to hit that income goal. And when you think about it, that's really not that many sales that you need in order to hit a full-time income, which is really great for you if you're someone who's brand new, right? So as the saying goes, it is much easier to get less sales of a higher ticket product than it is to get more sales of a low ticket product, right? If you're selling $10 ebooks, you need to be doing a lot more volume in order to hit that income goal, right? So it becomes a lot easier when you are selling a high ticket item that pays large commissions because it's just much easier, right? And so we have David getting results here. We have Charisse, $6,000 in 24 hours. So pretty phenomenal stuff right here. We have Quincy, who earned his first 3K in 7 days of joining, which is pretty phenomenal, right? Charisse again, 3,600 in 5 hours today. So pretty phenomenal right there. We have, not sure how to pronounce the name, but $1,000 commission. Amanda, $2,000 commission. Jane, $4,000 day. So think about this, right? 2 sales, each $2,000, and as you can see, $4,000. Now, what's really great about this is, I'm showing you a whole bunch of results, right? There's tons of people that are succeeding with this, tons of newbies that have not made money online before that are getting some pretty phenomenal results with this system right here. And so the great thing about this is this system does literally 90 to 99% of the heavy lifting for you. It does all the explaining, helps you to generate the high ticket commissions. And of course, what's also great about this is this also does the email follow-up for you. So all you have to do in order to succeed with this is you just want to simply go ahead, get your account set up. And by the way, you can do that by going to the first link down below. So you just want to enter your email right here, click the button, and then that will bring you over to this page right here with the testimonials and the quick little welcome video. And then you just want to click this button to get on the webinar, right? So this webinar, when you attend it, it's pretty much going to go more in detail about how the system works, how to get up and running with it. It shows even more members succeeding with the system. And so the reason why this is working so well for people who are brand new is because this system is set up in a way that is designed to get people to spend high ticket amounts, which is really great. So system does all the selling and telling for you with the webinar and with the email follow-ups, and so it does a great job at getting people to buy right away, which is really great. So if you're someone who's looking to get instant high ticket commissions, then this system is really a no-brainer to plug into, right? So you want to watch the webinar, and when you get to the end of it, it will have you create an account for Profits Passport. And so once you do that, you'll be brought into your back office right here, where you could, of course, get everything set up. So once you're logged in and once you get to this page, it's really as simple as a 10-minute setup. So it takes about 10 minutes to set up. All you have to do here is just watch the quick video and then just follow the steps that it lays out for you right here. And really, all there is to it is just setting up your income streams, which are different affiliate programs that you earn from. And so one thing that I'll mention real quick is this entire funnel that you're getting access to. This funnel is free, doesn't cost you anything. But what it does is it allows you to earn from different affiliate programs. So these are different companies that are included inside of this funnel that are all kind of complementary to each other. And so what you do is you promote one link, which would be your link right here. And so whenever someone goes to your specific link and they opt in and they watch the video and they decide to buy anything from any of these affiliate programs, then that is, of course, how you will get the credit for the sale, right? So all there is to it is you create an account, you put in your username right here for that specific affiliate program, click the save button, and then you just move on to the next ones and just activate whichever ones that you want, right? So you do that, and then really all there is to it is you just get your link, you promote it, and then of course from there, the system does all the rest of the selling on the back end, right? So again, your main goal is getting traffic, getting clicks over to your link, letting the system do the rest. And so with that being said, I actually have a really cool bonus for you when you decide to take action and you decide to get started down below. So when you go to the first link down below and you, of course, decide to get your Profits Passport account active, I have a free training for you that I'm going to include with your Profits Passport membership. And this is going to show you step by step exactly how I market the Profits Passport system. So this shows you everything in terms of how to market on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, how to get tons of free traffic over to your link. And so this is really beneficial as you don't have to spend additional money on like paid advertising, right? So this system does recommend a paid traffic source. You can use this if you want, and a lot of people do get great results with this. However, if you want to use free traffic as well, or maybe you just want to use free traffic and you don't want to spend additional money on paid traffic, then that is exactly what I've created this training series for. And so this training series that I put together right here, I originally put this together for a different system that I was promoting a while back. And so I've gotten a lot of really great feedback from this training series right here. A lot of people that have left a ton of really great comments, as you could see right here. Thank you for sharing and teaching others like myself with opportunities. And so, yeah, as you can see, I've got a ton of really great feedback on this series and a ton of people that have gotten results going through this training. And so you could take this entire training right here that I've created and you could promote Profits Passport and you could promote plenty of other things, but I would say this works best for high ticket affiliate marketing. And in particular, this works really well for high ticket programs that are, pretty much on fire and with lots of momentum. So in that case, Profits Passport would be a really great program to promote. And that is, of course, my number one recommendation right now when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing. So again, if you're looking to create a full-time income online, go to the first link down below, get your account set up, and once you do that, go check out this training series right here. This is going to show you literally everything in terms of how I set up my tracking links, how to set up the Profits Passport system, and of course, how to promote using various different methods that I show you right here. So again, check this out if you want to as well. Otherwise, go down below, get your account set up, watch the webinar, and my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.